Hi everybody, welcome back. In the previous lesson, we learned how to launch Camtasia Recorder in many methods. So now we are ready to start recording. In our lesson today, I will show you the example which I will record in the next lesson. For example, I am Oracle developer and I prepared a lesson called System Development Life Cycle, and this is the first lesson of Introduction to SQL. So I opened the PowerPoint, I designed the lesson, I wrote my scripts, and I did practice. So here is my script. My script contains 3 steps. The first part, it's the first sentences which I will say. For example, hi everybody, my name is Khalid, whatever. Then in the last part, you will say the last sentences which you will say. So we finish our lesson today. In the next lesson, we will learn blah, blah, blah like this. And here in the middle, I will put only headlines. And I will use my experience to describe these headlines. So today, I just want to give you some tips regarding the script. Actually, you can print it out, the script, and hold it in your hand. And you start reading the script while you are recording. But this is not a good practice because most of the time you need to write on the keyboard. So this one, it will make difficult for you. The best practice is to use a paper stand. And this is a very nice solution. So you will put the stand near from the laptop. You will look to the stand and start reading the paper from the stand while you are recording. And another solution, if you have another screen, you can make a dual screen. So you can drag the script to the another screen and you will start recording the first screen and look to the second screen and read your script. So this is the tips that I like to give you today. Actually, some instructor for Camtasia, they tell you you can record the audio separately and record the screen separately, then make synchronizations. Come on, man. This is a nightmare. Don't do this. Actually, I hate this way of recording. I don't see any reason to record the audio separately and the screen separately, then make synchronizations. This is a nightmare. Don't do this. So this is our tips for today, and in the next lesson we will start recording the first projects. Thank you for listening and see you in the next lesson.